Okay, thank you very much. We're pleased today to be able to address the county and the country on our discussions. We have the committee leadership of Wakulima Market with us, led by the chairman, Tony, together with those who lead the different products. They are categorized under the commodities that they sell. We have potatoes, we have onions, we have oranges and pineapples. We had earlier issued a direction because our intention is to restore order in the city. And on that, we are all in agreement that there must be the full restoration of order and that we shall deal with the congestion. We have agreed with the leadership, and the chairman will affirm that our intention is for our business people to work in an environment that is good, an environment that looks at the interests of everybody, not just those traders, but also our pedestrians, also those with vehicular traffic. We have said that number one, Haile Selassie is going to be clear. That one, there is no prevarication, there is no going back. Haile Selassie will be clear, even for the safety of our traders. We will not have any trucks selling or offloading on the road, as has been the case in some instances. We have also agreed, there's no need for that. We don't need that. We've also agreed that the allocations at Kangundo Road for wholesale will proceed, and that we shall have the different trucks for these different commodities assigned their spaces, and those who trade can even trade outside within the precincts of the market. We have agreed that after a certain number of vehicles, any additions will immediately go to Kangundo as we pick it up, and we're giving it up 1 month to monitor the progress over there. After that 1 month, we shall meet again, and we shall continue the habit of talking together and discussing so to ensure the full restoration of order and for business to thrive. We have agreed that we shall open up for them a road that was blocked behind Wakulima Market, that then goes all the way to Jogo Road, to make sure that there is a proper flow of traffic as we move ahead to ease congestion. The regional commander of police is here, and I want to thank him for the support, as well as our compliance and enforcement team. Our city is going to be orderly. We have said the instances of people and hawkers selling, even cooking on the roads will not be tolerated at all in the capital city of Nairobi. This is a global capital, this is a global hub, and it must look like that. A few weeks ago, we announced a CBD restoration program, and soon you will start seeing the work being done. Some is ongoing. We're restoring our walkways down Tomboya Road, Tomboya Street, going all the way down to Racecourse Road, and that work is going to go on. But once we lay cabro and we lay proper walkways, the walkways are not for trading. The walkways are for pedestrians to be able to walk and to get from point A to point B. So we have said there'll be zero tolerance against those who do not want to abide by the rules, because order will be fully restored. So we want to ask our traders to, even as they continue plying their business, to understand that this is a cooperation between ourselves and between the traders at our market. We are looking at further land, 5.4 acres, that had been earmarked for expansion of the market. We are pursuing that. The process had begun to make sure that, because the city is growing, the market is growing, and all we want is to provide opportunities. We said we wanted a city of order, dignity, hope, and opportunities. The opportunities can be sought in an orderly manner, and that will be done. I think finally we want to make it clear as Nairobi City County that the mandate of trade, the mandate of regularizing, business is a mandate of the county government. The county government is under no directions from anybody else. The county government has a mandate from the people of Nairobi, and we will continue exercising our mandate in a fair way, without fear or favor, for the good of the 5 million residents of Nairobi. So vile tumekubaliana, kazi itaendelea, Kangundo Road itaendelea, pia Marikiti itaendelea, lakini kwa njia ya mpangilio, kwa mutaratara ambayo inahitajika. Hawa wafanyabiashara ni watu wangu na wapenda sana, na wameniambia wananipenda, sijui kama kama wamebadilisha. Tumekuwa nao safari mrefu sana. 2017 walinichagua. Sijui nani aliwaambia mnichague wakati huo. Simuliamua. Tuliamua tu. Na 2022 pia walinichagua. Tumesema kutakuwa na mpangilio mzuri katika mji wetu, ili pia wale ambao wana magari wasichukue saa moja 1 hour kutoka Landis Road hadi town. Haifai kuwa hivyo. So hiyo mambo ya kuuza kwa barabara, kuweka sijui malori kwa barabara, wamekubali hao wenyewe. Watahakikisha wamezitoa ili kuwe na njia nzuri. Na tumewapatia mwezi mmoja tu monitor, so that we can see kama wanafuatilia mpango huo wetu. Wakikiuka hiyo sasa, sijui watakimbia wapi, lakini niko na imani na Tony na hii timu yetu. Pia nashukuru kamati ya County Assembly ya Nairobi ambayo inaongozwa na Mheshimiwa Petit for their support, for them understanding the reality that we are in, and for them working hand in hand with the county executive to ensure that trade happens in an orderly fashion. Wale ambao walikuwa wamejinyakulia manafasi katika soko ambayo iko Kangundo Road, ambao walipata kwa njia ambayo sio nzuri, na waambia poleni. We are going to have proper allocations as had been done with the original plan for the market. We have already created a way bridge there. Tumeshabomoa nyumba ambayo ilikuwa hapo katikati, na hapo hatusongi nyuma. That one we are not going back at all. So I'll ask the chairman, labda aseme kitu, aongeleshe watu yake, alafu our RC. Asante.
Asante sana, our governor. Once, I want to appreciate you for listening to our grievances. We have concluded with a good discussion. We have agreed to keep law and order in our market. We have agreed that all the additional vehicle will move to Kangundo Road. Once again, we say thank you, our regional commander, our MCS, CS, for cooperating. We say thank you once again. Asanteni.
Asante sana.
Your Excellency the Governor, I just also want to affirm that the communication which has been communicated by our Excellency the Governor and the entire team of the business community from Ukulima Market is the agreement that we put in place to ensure that the people of Nairobi enjoy doing their businesses along our roads and also within the markets that are within the city. And therefore, just I want to affirm, or rather assure Kenyans also within the city of Nairobi that their security is assured by ensuring that our roads are movable. At the same time, there will be no obstruction. At the same time, we promise to work with those who are within the city or within the markets to ensure that law and order is well maintained in those areas. So you are free to visit the markets because of the safety that is there, and we assure you by providing security, both the national police and the county government officers who will be enforcing order in that area. So welcome for business in the city. We are set ready to ensure there is law and order.
So tutachia hapo. Tayari tumetuma engineers wetu, wameelekea pamoja na engineers wa Kenya Railway to make sure that access is provided. Na najua kwa siku chache hivi mtaona progress ambayo itakuwa hapo na ile flow ambayo itakuwa. Tafadhali, let us keep our word, let us stick to what we have said. Sawa sawa?
Yes.
Na lazima iwork, hiyo lazima itawaka.
Waziri mwenzangu, he'll be here shortly.
From Ukulima Market, my name is Paul Mainanyaga.
Kibra, Mkora Owera, Mheshimiwa.
Morning everyone. My name is Lilian Ouma.
Bia inawaka. So hatukuwa tunasema tukiwa na ubaya na wewe. So hizo mbili tayari gavana tumeondoa.
They headed nowhere. Kwa majina naitwa Julius Motiga. Mimi ndio chairman wa sekta viazi. Na mimi ndio ule mtu mzee
wa sekta ya kitunguu. my people are law-abiding people.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Excellency. I'll be a little bit brief because this was a project of the road and the component of the market was just coming in.